The next coin we're going to do is Margarana Dream City. You can just put a like on this and then put a subscribe down below. We got lots of airdrops coming up. So we're going to hit on the Telegram bot. And we're going to pop the Telegram bot up on our desktop. We're going to hit start. Now it's going to ask you to make sure this image is good. You can change the image, but the image is up above here. So you can change the image if you can't quite match it. Kind of just gives an outline. You say I want to hit proceed. It's going to ask you to register at their website. So go to their website. So on this form, you're going to put a security code in and a password. And you're also going to put your username, then you're going to hit next. Next, it's asking you for your name and email. You put all that in. Put your country code or whatever you are. Then just come down here, hit submit. And before you hit submit, just make sure you get rid of the highlighted sections and then hit submit. Just make sure it's a full black screen like this. Then it's going to ask for your email. Make sure you go into your email and you confirm your email. I didn't receive one yet, so it might be just a late thing, but make sure you do confirm that when it comes through. But put your email into here next. I did try to log in with my email and all that, and it said the account was taken, so it should be just late. And next it's going to ask you to join their group. So join their group. And you'll go back down to the bot. Then you'll hit refresh and it will come to open channel. So join channel. Then go back to the bot here. Hit refresh. Then it does follow us on Twitter. Open that. And just go hit follow on Twitter. Next, it wants you to put in the username. You paste that in. Hit this. Right after that, go to their Facebook page. Open their Facebook page. And then you're going to put like and follow. And next it asks for your Facebook profile link. Just put that in. Click on this. Then it asks you to open your YouTube. Then it's going to ask you to subscribe to their channel. So subscribe and then put... Then it asks for your actual Facebook username, so or your YouTube channel username, so put the username in, not the URL. And then submit your Ethereum address, so copy and paste that into there. Put that in, hit this. Then it gives your balance up here of what you got. How many tokens you're going to get for doing this, and your referral link down below. And that's the end of this airdrop.